guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well, babe. If you're new here, hi, how's it going? I'm Jade. I'm obsessed with fashion and beauty and everything in between. And I thought it would be fun to do a quick video today, seeing as I'm going out with my friend later, and show you guys how I actually do my curls, because I get a lot of questions on Instagram saying how do you sort of do your curls, and I do them with straighteners, babe. So seeing as you guys liked my 5 products in 5 minutes video so much, I thought why not hop back on here, give you another little tutorial. So if you want to see a really easy way to get nice big curls without having to put rollers in or anything like that, keep watching best. Okay, I'm just starting off with some straight hair. I don't really have anything in it. I just straightened it earlier because my hair is hella damaged, which means it's super frizzy if I just leave it to dry naturally. So I usually use these little clips. Oh my gosh, look at my hands. So I split it into 3 sections. I use the bottom bit just above my ears. The second bit is just sort of across from my eyebrows, and then the top bit I'll curl last. So just wrap that around in a knot. Do you know sometimes when I'm going out, and sometimes you want to do that like top knot, when I actually try and do the top knot it looks like shit, but for some reason when I like curl my hair and I'm doing this style like to curl my hair and to keep it sectioned up, I end up with the best fucking top knot, and I'm just like, what? Why can't I do that when I actually want a top knot? Just saying. I would section this bit into like 3, so that's what I'm going to do. So I always start at the back because it's just easiest to get that done and then flick it around my shoulder, then I know which bit I've done. I'm using just some thin sort of straighteners today. They're not expensive, they're just some Remington straighteners. I go in at an angle like this and I come out and down. Now the way that I get my curls to look sort of natural, beachy type of wave is I actually leave the end bit, I don't straighten it. I started doing that because my ends are fucked, but actually I really like the way that it looks. So I go in to curl it and then I just leave the end bit straight. So twist it, come down, that end bit there, leave, throw it away. Come in at an angle, twist it round, twist it down, leave the end bit, and then throw it away. Last bit. So with this side, because I can't actually go down with this side, just because whatever that is where you can bend yourself. So if you just grab this hair and you want to do it at the same angle that you would when you're coming down, so if you're going down that way, you want to go up that way. Again, 3 sections. You're coming up, out and round, and then you're going to pull it down and then just leave the end bit again. Like that, leave the end bit, flick it right, get rid of it. One thing I tend not to do when I'm doing my hair is try and touch the curl too much whilst it's cooling down. Just leave it, let it sort of set. Don't play around with your hair too much whilst you're curling it. Leave it to the end. In at an angle, round, down, leave the end. Next section. So we want to take the next section just from my eyebrows, and usually that leaves the top layer, the shortest layer that usually you have in your hair, and you want that one to sort of be nice and big and bouncy because that's the one that really gives you volume. Looking raggedy. Again, bring it to the front so you know what you're playing with. Again, you should have a section of hair like this and then just split it into 3. Same technique for this side, down, out and round. I'm going for a curry tonight and I'm absolutely buzzing because it's been on my mind for as long as I can tell you. And I've been telling Tam, I want to go for a curry, I want to go for a curry. And he's like, should we make one? And I'm like, no, I want to go for a curry. Different. You know what I mean? Sometimes I like wrap the curl round. If I feel like it's going to fall too much, I'll wrap it. It is like fucking raining so hard outside. I'm so fed up of it. Okay, last section. Depending on where you have your part in, just go ahead and pop that in there. It doesn't really matter with curly hair because I guess you can just sort of play with it after and, you know, have it flipped over and all that type of stuff. So again, top section, 3, just starting at the back. I just love that when I can see like straight bits of brown and then dark in my hair. Dimensional, babe. This bit is really short on my hair, so I tend not to put too much heat on it, so I'm just going to give it a little bit. I'm not going to fully close me either, I'm just going to sort of go around it whilst it's still slightly open. Same sort of action, just let it fall down, let the end come off. Back, up at an angle, same angle that you're doing when you're coming down. And then leaving a bit at the end. Okay, so now that the curls are in, I see a lot of people making this mistake where they just go crazy and they just put loads of shit in their hair and like ruffle it up, and then it starts looking a hot mess before, you know. But I like to give myself more body around this area. Obviously, best product for giving yourself a bit of vol, bit of this on roots. Okay, so you can see I've just rubbed it on my roots. I've not actually like rubbed it the whole way down or put my fingers through my hair. I'll just tidy up this front bit before I go ahead and pop some hairspray on it. And then, like I said, just touching it just to make it fall onto those curls and sort of give them a little bit of structure. I'm a nightmare for just sort of messing about with my hair. I don't tend to keep it like in its middle part in. I like it to look really played with and messy and moved, shagged. So I just go ahead and just like mess with it until it like falls in a place that I want it to fall in. And then when I'm happy with where it's set, again, just spray over it. So that's it. I hope you like this and I hope you're gonna recreate them. If you do, shout me out on Instagram, babe, come show me what you got. My username is JadeLeanneXo. I'm about to head out for my curry and I'm so buzzing because all I can think about is like peshwari naan, onion bhaja, everything else on the menu. What would you get? I'm definitely thinking about getting everything. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up so I know what you guys like and what you don't. And if you want to see more videos on fashion, beauty and hair tutorials, then consider subscribing to my channel. I've got to head out because I'm absolutely starving, but I do hope to see you next week. Hope you have an amazing evening. Bye. Oh girl, that is some country curl.